Okay, so this is a quick walkthrough on how you go about creating a live Q&A app on Pubble. Okay, so the first step is to click on the admin section down here, and then I've got a few more communities than you probably have, but and then click on the admin link, and that will open up the admin section, and this is where you go to add the app. So you can see here the members tab is the default tab that is displayed. We'll click on the apps tab, and it defaults into the community Q&A. So what we do here is just click on new app. So we give the app a name, just call it live Q&A. Demo. Okay, and click on add. And now you can see that the app will appear here in the left hand menu. So I'll call this the live Q&A demo. Okay, so there's some settings in here that you can change. If you want to turn on moderation, just enable, set that to moderated. One thing to note here is that for each section you need to click on save. So if I want the stream to be moderated there, I'll click on save. Okay. Also, on the right hand side here you can check which options you want to have allow people to post with. Another setting here is the character limit. We like to keep the question length pretty short so that people don't waffle too much in questions, but probably around 200 characters should be sufficient for most events, but you can set that for up to 800 characters if you really want to. Okay, another setting down here is when somebody loads the stream, the default stream size. We default to 20 posts in the stream, but you can set that, you can increase that if you wish. Again, these are optional things that you can change, but that's that. Okay, so if you want to add moderators, you need to add them to they need to be a member of your community first before you add them. So if you click on members, you add the members in here. If you want to add a new user, just add them in there. And then once you're added there, you can actually add them in here. And if I type somebody that's already in our community, like say Shane, I can add Shane as a moderator on the app. These options here, once you add a moderator, if you check VIP, that's VIP is the person who answers the questions. A moderator is the person who manages the event. These check boxes here, if you uncheck those, you'll turn off notifications, email notifications, and if the event is live and the person is online at the same time as the event, you probably want to have those off because they will get too many notifications. Okay, you can ignore the look and feel. The default option is the embedded option. But one thing for a live event that you might need to configure is the schedule. Okay, so in schedule you can allow people to post before the event starts. So if you check that option, the input box will be there. And you can allow people to post after the event. You can also set the time of the event, so whatever time, the date and time. So if you set the date, say it's Thursday. If you set on the time, then you can basically change that to, I don't know, whatever time the event is on, and likewise for the end time. So we'll change that, put it to say 10 p.m. Okay, so that's a 1 hour event. And these three boxes down here, right, are for the pre-event state. So you can have a message here that says, okay, this is before the event goes live. So that's like, okay, the event is going to start on this time or whatever. So it's a piece of content that's displayed before the event actually starts. And the event blurb then is like when the event is actually live. So you can include whatever you want there, and then something like so they're the three event states. Again, if you don't fill those in, nothing is displayed there. But it can be useful actually to just set those. Okay, and then once you configure the app, you click on your deploy and you grab your code snippet here and just basically copy it and paste that code snippet into the page that you want to host the event on. And that's it.